Hello and welcome to the series of videos about SDF. So far, we have seen only one type of record, that is book. We have one more type of record, that is stock, which is very similar to book except that the type is stock here. And we have made some refactoring to save the book as well as the stock. So basically, similar thing, there the code is moved to a separate method called create book, which creates the book here and fetches the book by the ID. Similarly, we have create stock, which constructs a stock object and then creates the stock and fetches the stock by the ID. Before going further, let's first run it and see if it is working so far. Right. So this part creates the book and this part creates a stock. And if we see, two objects are created, one for stock and one for book. Now let's take a look at the demo service here. If you see, the generics are at the method level, right? Create and fetch. But this generic can be at the class level because this create and fetch represents to the same type of record. And we can have different service for book and stock. So what do I mean by that is we will have two demo service implementation, one for stock and one for book. So let me quickly make the change. And done. So let's quickly go over the changes. First of all, I have changed the demo service from interface to abstract class since I have moved this serialize and deserialize common utility methods in this class and made them protected. And if you see the generic which was there at the method level earlier, I have moved it to the class level. And let's first see the book service. I have renamed it to demo book service, which extends demo service of book, so it is at the class level. This service is specific to book, so create takes the book and fetch returns the book, right? Similarly, stock service extends demo service of type stock. Create takes a stock type and fetch returns a stock type. Now let's go to the main class where we are doing the resolving. So we need to make some changes here. In the create book, it's no more demo service, right? It should be demo service of type book, which should return the demo book service instance. So to do that, we have to also add the type here like this, right? But Java does not support providing parameterized types like this. For this, SDF has a class called type class, and we can define the parameterized type using the type class. Let's see how. Type class of type this type equals new type class. That's it. Well, it returns a class not found exception. Let's just add it in the method signature and here. Okay, now this resolve has a overloaded method which takes this type class, this one, right? So we'll just pass the type here. That's it. The expectation is here it should resolve the demo book service type to this demo service of book, because demo book service is the implementation for demo service of type book. I'm going to print the resolved class name here so that we can see which class has been resolved. So creating a book record using service dot get class dot get name. Also, since we have moved the generics from method level to class level, we don't anymore need to pass the type of record explicitly here, because this service is a demo book service. That means it is specific to the book class. So one more change that I have done is this fetch earlier used to take the type and now it doesn't take any type. Let's make the similar change for create stock as well. And done. So let's quickly run this and see how it is working. If you see in the book creation, it is creating the book using demo book service, and for stock record, it is using the demo stock service, which is expected. So we have seen SDF also supports resolving dependencies with generic types. We'll see about the other features of SDF in the next series of videos. Until then, happy learning and happy coding.